what the postman has brought. Let's open and see. Okay, there's one pack inside another one. So let me open this one also. This is the second package. Now let me open this one. Okay, inside the Sainsbury's package is this. Okay, this is the diagonal, 1¼ inch diagonal. And, oh, that's the Televue Everbrite Dielectric Televue. Oh, that's beautiful. It's one of the best diagonals you can get. Very good diagonal. It is made of a full metal body, which is not threaded. It's just all one piece. But oh yeah, it has a ring also. So compression ring. Should you push it a little bit higher? Yes, that's where it should be. Compression ring is here. Not very well placed, but anyway. What matters is the diagonal itself. I can say, look at the details. You can see here, and I will show you that detail is here. And you're looking at it through this. You can see the metallicity of it. So quite nice. Although this camera is not focused, but yeah, you can see almost focused. Nice diagonal. I will test it later. This is a Televue Everbrite 1¼ inch IP diagonal. Everbrite, very good one. And this is a RKE 28mm. And I'm using the Skywatcher 102 apochromatic refractor, Star Travel one. Really good telescope. And now let's see how the view looks like through this eyepiece. Everbrite really makes a very good color fidelity. Look, also RKE is doing his best. Really nice, bright. Beautiful.